Welcome dear students to Mathematics class 9. Myself Zainab Bahari. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 sets part 1. Introduction. Let us recall. Some pictures are shown here containing group of things you see in your day-to-day life. Flower, bouquet, bunch of keys, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. We use special word for each of the collection given here in the picture. In all examples, we can clearly understand the objects. We call such a collection of the object set. Now students, we will take these other two examples. Happy children in the village, brilliant students in the class. Dear students, in the both example, the word happy and brilliant are relative. It means the exact meaning of this word may change from person to person. To be brilliant, to be happy may change from one person to another person. So these are not set. See some examples and decide whether these are sets or not. First, days of week. Second, month in year. Third, brave children in the class. Fourth, first 10 counting numbers. Fifth, strong forts in Maharashtra. Sixth, planets in our solar system. Dear students, in this we observe that brave children in the class and strong forts in Maharashtra. In this, the word brave and strong may change from person to person. Means the bravery, the meaning of bravery may change by the view of different people. The one I will consider brave, the other may not consider. The similar strong forts in Maharashtra. The strength of the fort can be taken in the different way by one person, while the other way by the another person. So, the example number 3 and example number 5 are not sets, while that of days of weeks, months in year, first 10 counting numbers and planets in our solar system are examples of set. So here we define sets as if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then the collection is called as a set. Generally, the name of the set is given by the capital letter in English alphabets, while that of elements of any sets can be represented by the small letters of English alphabets. Let us take an example over here. A is an element of set A, which can be written here in this way. Second example, A is not element of set A. Now let us observe the sets of number. Capital N is the letter which is used to denote the set of natural numbers like curly bracket 1, 2, 3, etc. curly bracket close. Capital W is used to denote set of whole numbers like curly bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. curly bracket close. Capital I is used to denote the set of integers. Curly bracket dot 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 negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, that is all negative numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3 all positive numbers, bracket complete. capital Q is set of all rational numbers, while capital R is the set of real numbers. Let us study now methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets. First one is listing method or roster method. In this method, dear friends, we write all the elements of the set in curly braces. Each of the element is written only once. It means if in the set, if suppose any element is repeatedly occurring, we not have to repeat at the time of writing set. We can write only one time. And each of the element we can separate by putting a comma. The order of element is not an important thing, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. Let us take some examples of listing method or roster method. Set of odd numbers from 1 to 10 can be written as set A is equal to open curly bracket 3, 5, 7, 9 close curly bracket. The same set can be written by changing the orders of elements. Like set A is equal to open curly bracket 7, 3, 5, 9 close curly bracket. Here the both way of writing sets you can use. If an element comes more than one time, then it is necessary to write element only once. Let us take an example. The word remember contain RME repeatedly. We can write the set of letters of the word remember in this way. Set A is equal to curly bracket open R, E, M, B close curly bracket. Here the repeatedly occurring letters we not have written repeatedly. Let us now try to understand the second method, rule method or set builder method. Dear students, in this method we do not write the list of element, but we write the general element using the variables, and these variables are followed by the vertical line or colon, which we read as such or that, and the property of that variable is written on the last half of set. So dear students, remember this basic thing while writing sets using rule method or set builder form. Let us take example. Set A is equal to open curly bracket X standing line X is member of natural number between 1 and 10. That is, X is greater than 1 and less than 10. One can read this set in this way. Set A is the set of all X such that X is a natural number between 1 to 10. Let's take one more example. B is equal to curly bracket X standing line. X is a prime number between 1 to 10. Set B contains all prime numbers between 1 and 10. So by using listing method, set B can be written as B is equal to open curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7 close curly bracket. And the same set we can read as B is the set of all X such that X is a prime number between 1 to 10. And this set we can write using listing method as B is equal to open curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7 close curly bracket. Q is the set of rational numbers which can be written in set builder form in this way. Q is equal to open curly bracket P upon Q standing line P Q belongs to integers where Q is not equal to 0 bracket complete, or we can say close curly bracket. This we read as Q is set of all numbers in the P upon Q form such that Q and P are integers where Q is non-zero number. Dear students, we are going to represent different sets in both the methods, that is rule method or set builder method and listing method. The first example, A is set of all x such that x is letter of the word division. Second, B is set of all y such that y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. The next example, C is set of all z such that z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Let us observe the same sets in listing method. First, A is equal to curly bracket open D, I, V, S, O, L curly bracket complete. The second set B can be listed as B is equal to -3, +3. While that of C is equal to open curly bracket 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 close curly bracket. Let us answer this. Fill in the blanks given in the following table. In the first example, set A is equal to open curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. By observing all the elements, we can understand these all are the even numbers between 1 to 15. So we can represent this by rule method as A is the set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Now just see the second example. B is the set of all x such that x is perfect square number between 1 to 20. Solution of it is written as B is equal to open curly bracket 1, 4, 9, 16 close curly bracket. Let's take the next example. C is equal to curly bracket A, E, I, O, U. Dear students, by observing this list, you understand these are the vowels of the English alphabets. So we can write it in the rule method or set builder method as C is the set of all x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Now let us study the next example. D is set of all y such that y is a color in the rainbow. And this can be represented or this can be written as D is equal to open the curly bracket violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. close curly bracket. Here is the next example. P is equal to, open the curly bracket, -2, comma, -1, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 2. This can be read as using rule method and written as P is the set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -3 and less than +3. The last one, m is equal to, open the curly bracket, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so many. Curly bracket close. Here we observe all these numbers are the perfect cube numbers. This set we can write using set builder method as m is set of all x such that x is a cube of natural numbers. Dear students, now let us solve practice set 1.1. So question 1. Write the following set in roster form. First, set of even numbers. Answer. A is equal to, open curly bracket, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Close curly bracket. Set of negative integers. Answer. B is equal to, open curly bracket, -1, -2, -3, etc. Curly bracket close. Question 2. Write the following symbolic statements in words. 4 upon 3 is an element of set of rational numbers. Next example. P is set of all P such that P is an odd number. Question 4. Write the following sets using listing method. Let us solve few of the examples. Letters in the word complement. Here we see few of the letters are repeated. We write here A is equal to, open curly bracket, CELMNOPT. Each of the element is separated with the help of comma. Close curly bracket. The element E is repeatedly coming with element M. We write here only one time both of these elements. Next example. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Answer. B is equal to, open curly bracket, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Close curly bracket. Question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. P is equal to, open curly bracket, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, close curly bracket. What do you observe here? Yes, all these numbers are multiples of 6 up to the 8th place. So we can write using set builder method in this way. B is set of all x such that x is equal to 6n. N belongs to natural number. N is less than 9. Let us see next example. D is equal to, open curly bracket, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What do you observe? Here this is the list of days of week. So we can write it in set builder form as D is set of all Z such that Z is a day of week. Dear students, I hope you understood the concept up to here. We will meet in the next week with the next topic from the same chapter. Till then, keep on studying. Thank you.